So the power that the Lord is going to give us, this world cannot comprehend. We're going to be elevated to a level beyond comprehension. No superhero movie, no anime, no comic book, no imagination can compare to what the Lord is going to give his elect. We watch these movies, we watch animes, we read comic books as an example of what the power will be like. But to actually experience the power for yourself, you cannot comprehend what it's going to be like. It's going to be out of this world, something that we have never experienced on the level that the Most High is going to give us to experience. We've never flown before. Be able to think, and by you thinking, you can cause your body to take off the ground and fly. The scriptures say we're going to fly. We've never walked on water, as Yahushua did. But the scriptures say we're going to do greater works than Yahushua. So we're going to walk on water. And various other scriptures that gets into the power. We've never experienced these things in this flesh. But certain men are going to get the power on this side to experience these things.
Hast thou not known? Hast thou not heard? The everlasting God, the Lord, the Creator of the ends of the earth, fainteth not, neither is weary. There is no searching of his understanding. He giveth power to the faint, and to them that have no might he increaseth strength. Even the youths shall faint and be weary, and the young men shall utterly fall. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint.
The Heavenly Father is going to give us an energy source that cannot run out. Infinite energy. Energy directly from the source. Energy of Yahweh by Shema Shai placed into our new extraterrestrial bodies.
Yahweh Shai.